I don't know what I just did.
And that's what Rocky looks like at the end of it.
Hey, you're live here on location at the New York State Fairgrounds, but this time we're not here for the New York State Fair, we're here for the Food Truck Festival. So join us as we browse the food trucks around here.
Not being the video. Cheese wheel pasta.
Yeah.
So why don't you give it a shot? Give us a 1 to 10, bud.
One bite, everyone knows the rules.
It was $6, which is not too bad. It was a pretty big bowl. You gotta do more. You definitely gotta break that 1 bite rule for this one.
Yeah.
Get a nice, good helping. There you go. It looks good. I tried this already, and I would have given it a 6.8.
Well, it's definitely plain. So
It is a little plain, right? I agree.
so I give it maybe a 4.9.
4.9. Whoa! Barely likes it. Barely likes it. All right. So, what do you think we should do next?
Let's move on.
I got pizza. And I'm gonna burn my face off. I don't like it. Really?
You are ready to.
It looks burnt. 3.2.
Ooh. Okay, I just ordered the pulled pork mac slider.
How much?
It was $8.
You excited for them?
Yeah.
All right, look forward to the review.
Yeah. Forward to the review. It was kind of falling apart, so I was kind of forced to take a bite of this, but
Keep going.
1 bite, everyone knows the rules. Oh, well, this definitely exceeds my expectations.
Really better than you thought it was going to be?
Yes.
That never happens. It looks good. How is the mac and cheese, though? That part of it.
That would taste a little bland.
A little bland? I bet it would be a little bland.
But I give this 7.2.
7.2.
Yeah.
Better, way better than the pasta. What was the pasta? 4.9?
Yeah, 4.9.
Ooh, 7.2. So we're getting better, folks. Let's see what's next.
Yeah, let's move on.
Hey Tim, so what's your favorite thing to do here?
Standing in line?
Really?
No.
Something weird. There you go. That was actually perfect.
Keep my wallet.
Thank you.
This is peanut buttery sundae from Skippy's Ice Cream.
Looks good.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks. 1 bite, everyone knows the rules. Okay, it definitely deserves more than 1 bite. So that's the time when it's good. Then I give this 7.5.
Really? 7.5?
Yeah.
I think I agree with you on that one. 1 huge bite. Ah, yeah. Brain freeze.
Brain freeze!
What would you rate, like, I want to tell how much this, like, exceeded your expectations? 0.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Place Reviews. So until next time, I'm Tim. Have a super fantastic weekend. And yeah, now I have brain freeze.
I don't know what I just did.
And that's what Rocky looks like at the end of it.
Yeah, now I have brain freeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too.
Do you?
Yeah.
I was.
good.
Is that caramel? What is that? Is that peanut butter or caramel?
Peanut butter.
Wow. Nice.
Do you hate it or do you like it?
No, I like it.
He hates it. You hear him?
Yeah, he said this place sucks.
Oh! Wait, Tim. Oh, we ain't get. Go.
This sucked. I hate this place. Just kidding.
And pretend to throw up.